1, 2.
This could be you after a motorcycle accident.
Bones, spine, organs.
Unless you're wearing one of these. I'm Traumoto, and my background is in ER and trauma as a registered nurse.
I'm Toby, my background's in 911 response as an advanced EMT and as an EMS instructor.
And just so you know, this isn't gonna be some cheesy product review where they've sent this to me so that I can gain money on my affiliate code, which I don't even have. I genuinely reached out to them because this looked like an amazing product. There's been some incredible creators like Fort9 who covered this jacket in one of his recent videos, and I said, let me take a look at that and let's see what we can break down on the medical side of things. So let's start by breaking down the elements of protection that are in this actual garment. So when you open it up, you can see that there isn't necessarily any sort of like CE armor inside these outer regions that cover the shoulders or down by the sides, but there is this like mesh foam or padding, and that would be really good for comfort and light abrasions.
And there's a special surprise inside.
Oh, this is CE level 2 armor, and I know that because I read it on the packaging. But if you're unfamiliar with what CE armor is it is made to redistribute across the entire surface the impact force that is acted upon it. This is pretty adequate spinal protection in case you fall straight on your back. So now let's take a look at what actually makes this vest special. And that's this little secret compartment right here, and it has your CO2 canister. Now this, when you yank on this ball, or I should say when this gets ripped from you because it's attached to the bike, this is going to inflate the entire vest in just a matter of a few milliseconds. Now this is my 2016 R1, and it's kind of an atypical bike for mounting something like this too. It doesn't have a tubular frame, it doesn't have a lot of areas to attach things to, but what's really nice about this being a simple strap, you can usually find somewhere to put it. So I actually found this little piece of subframe that I can attach it to and then clip it in, and I'm good to go. I can get on the bike. Now, a lot of people get concerned when I get off the bike, oh, I'm gonna make it go off. But actually, not only do you have a little bit of elastic give here, but it takes about 60 pounds of force to yank that ball out of that CO2 socket. So it's really not gonna blow up on you unless I throw myself off the bike. And that's what's gonna happen if you get into a motorcycle accident.
All right, dude, come on, I'm tired of this. Let's blow this up already.
Let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my full gear just so I simulate everything, and it's especially important to have the helmet on to see kind of how that reacts with the top of this vest. Woo, I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I've never had one of these airbag vests go on me before. The other thing that I'm gonna leave on, just for the sake of experimentation, is I'm gonna leave my Traumoto kit on and see what happens with that as well. All right, dude, I'm actually like really nervous right now.
I'm not.
Woo, all right, here we go. So we've clicked it in. I'm gonna give this to you, and I'm gonna kind of just get into position and we'll see what happens.
Ready?
All right.
1, 2.
Wow.
Holy shit.
You really gotta, that's crazy. Okay. All right, let's try it again.
1, 2, 3.
Wow. Okay, here, maybe like, you ball it up. Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yep. Oh! Oh! Dude, that is awesome. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, so first thoughts, I feel like I have this whole like protection on my body. I feel like I could get on the ground and just start doing stuff. I think I just dropped my mic. I think I just started dropping my mic. Okay, but I will say, let's check the tailbone. Okay, yes, I do have tailbone protection, which is really cool. And man, it's so cool. I feel like I have this like little box around me that's protecting me. There was no pain associated with it at all, but it actually was like super comfortable. It actually felt kind of good and might even crack my back a little bit.
And now that it's activated, is this easy to reload or do you have to send it back to Helite?
So I talked to them and they said that the only thing that you have to do is of course let it deflate all the way. And there's a little mechanism, like an Allen key that you undo here, pull the cartridge out and then slap the new cartridge in, put the ball in, Allen key back in, you're ready to go.
Ready for another accident.
So that is, yeah, that's a big deal. Now that we have the vest back off, let's throw it back on our skeleton guy and let's see exactly what would have been protected. So the first thing that really stuck out to me was the collarbone. And that is this right here. It's also called the clavicle. And this is a very, very commonly broken bone. In fact, some of you watching have probably broken your collarbone before. And this went right over the top of that and blew up. So a lot of protection for that bone there. What else did you notice?
For the collarbone, and definitely for the ribs too, right? And a lot of those high side crashes, if you get thrown over the handlebars, there's gonna be a lot of force going onto the front of your chest. Rib fractures are super common and they take a long time to heal. So this front protection here would save you from all of that. Same thing on the back too.
Yeah, and so lastly, yeah, the spine. So you can see your spine obviously runs down the center. And as you saw, there's almost like 2 blow-up sections that would go on either side. And then you have the CE armor right down the middle. So, man, this was cool. And then also, we can't forget the tailbone.
Yeah, the tailbone protection.
Yep, so that was right there. And then we also had some like hip protectors, which would go kind of right over here on either side of the pelvis.
And after an accident, if you end up sliding along the side of the road, that's gonna make your life a lot easier.
Pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, so final thoughts?
Dude, honestly, I really like it. You know, when it comes to emergency equipment, life-saving stuff, the simpler the better. It doesn't get much easier to set up than this.
Yeah, and you guys know on this channel, I don't do any BS. If I'm promoting a product or showing it to you, it's because I actually believe in it. And again, I don't have an affiliate code or anything to give you because this is just my raw input on a new product that seems to be on the motorcycle market. So if you enjoyed this video, thank you so much for watching and consider subscribing so that I can make some more.